Do you think this is a good angle? Definitely not. Look at my angle though. And the lighting is, oh my god. Love it.
Mum, why did you book tickets for this movie? You know I hate horror movies.
Yeah, unless you want to go.
Raven, are you even listening to me? What? This movie is a cult classic. In the screening in 1985, someone died.
I'm only here for the gore. Go.
I hate gore. Oh no, but this is going to be as bad as Scream.
Stop being such a baby.
Welcome to the screening. Please take your tickets and take a seat.
Just take it.
And I think it's about I'm not sure what it's about, but I hope it's good. Scream, I can't believe
It was so funny. You were like, come on, let's sit right over right.
No, I don't want to sit in the front.
It's going to be second is. I hate you.
So,
I hate you.
so mean.
This is so good. I wish there was more depth though. Cassie is such a big baby. I don't know why I even hang out with her sometimes. Oh, this is a good bit.
These people don't appreciate this film. In 1985, this film was legendary. I bet they're not even watching.
Okay, so I'm in the film right now, and there's some really weird people in front of me, which is unusual, but kind of freaking me out, and I don't know what to do. What else? Oh, so as you guys know, it's almost my birthday, and I'm gonna ask for something, like a car, maybe. My parents will probably get it for me. I've been so good recently, and yeah. Shh. Gotta go. Bye.
There is now an interval. Please go over to the foyer.
I guess I'll go too.
Okay, so the film's quite good actually. I didn't really like it at the start. It was a bit scary, but definitely still a lot scary. What else? I don't say younger viewers should go, but yeah, the food's good, the people are good. Well, there's some weirdos in the theatre or film thing, whatever you want to call it. Especially the popcorn though. I love the popcorn.
So the reason I probably have more views than her is because I have a purple hairbrush. She has a pink one, like everyone does. So that's it. Anyway, the movie's alright, I guess. I mean, it has a 4.5 rating, not a 5. So it's not the best, but it's okay, I guess. I think I'm gonna go for dinner in a restaurant later. So I think maybe Papa John's.
What's happened? I don't know. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
She's dead.
You think?
It's like what happened in the
No, we're not talking about that.
It's like a movie.
No.
Someone should go call 999.
Yeah, you go.
Okay.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Clara! Oh my god, Clara, no, she's been shot.
Can't be.
Clara!
Clara, wake up.
This can't be happening. I hadn't seen her in ages. Raven, wake up. Raven!
She's gone.
I can't do this anymore. I need to go for a walk.
Okay, so I'm really scared right now, but I think the murderer might be the girl with the ginger hair.
It's not me.
Oh my god, you scared me.
Well, you're the one walking around in the corridors on your own. What do you expect?
You're the one who didn't notice when her best friend died.
I could say the same for you.
You were in the. I was in your shots all day,
Oh yeah.
so it can't have been me though. And
True.
you were sitting behind me the whole time. I could hear your annoying vlogging. But wait, what about that girl who was in the cinema on her own? And who goes to the cinema on their own?
That's so weird.
And she was supposed to call 999.
Yeah. It must be her.
It must. Let's go.
Oh my god. This is freaking me out.
Think. But if it's not her and it's not me and it's not you, it means the killer's in here.
We need to run.
Sorry! I'm gonna get murdered! Help! Help! What is happening? No, do what? Help! 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 Let me out! Help! Let me out!